First question is, a study has been conducted to examine whether the students who had applied for my entrance exam in 2020 are willing to write the exam in the coming week or not. A group of 10,000 students were randomly selected from the urban areas of India for this study. It is concluded that roughly 80% of the students want to write the exam. Based on the above information, answer the following three questions. Identify the sample and population from the statement given above. Here, population is all over India student, because a study has been conducted to examine whether the students who had applied for my entrance exam content are willing to write the exam in the coming week or not. And the sample is 10,000 students who are randomly selected from urban areas. So the best answer is the sample consists of the selected 10,000 students from the urban areas of India, and the population consists of students from all across India. This is the correct answer. Let's say the second question. Identify the correct statement from the following. Aforementioned conclusion made on the basis of the sample is correct? No. Aforementioned conclusion is not correct because the sample is not a good representation of the population. Yes, it is right because it is selected from only urban areas, not from whole India. So let's see third question, sorry. What can you say about the nature of the study? The study is descriptive? No. The study is inferential? Yes. The study is inferential but not descriptive. These both options are correct. According to a news report, Facebook is partnering with external researchers from the fields of political science and social media to examine the impact of social networking sites on the society during the 2020 US presidential elections. Between 2 lakhs to 4 lakhs users are expected to opt into the project to see how they behave on Facebook and Instagram. Which branch of statistics does the above analysis come under? It is inferential statistics because sample is taken from 2000 to 4000 users and conclusion is made for all over the population. Okay, come to the next question. Choose the correct statements above descriptive statistics from the following. Descriptive statistics is concerned with drawing conclusion. Galat. Descriptive statistics is concerned with describing and summarizing data. It is right. Descriptive statistics can be performed either on sample or population. Yes. Descriptive statistics can only be performed on a sample. No. We must always take into account the possibility of chance. No. It is in inferential statistics. Central Pollution Control Board wants to check the air quality index of all the major cities in India after Diwali to decide if air pollution is reaching unhealthy levels. To do so, they have come up with a list of all the major cities and their respective AQI levels and want to determine which cities among the least have an AQI level greater than 100. What kind of statistic does the above analysis come under? It is a descriptive statistics because it includes all cities. Suppose we are interested in studying the height of an average Indian adult above the age of 18. Due to practical constraints, it is not possible to collect the data for the whole country. So we decide to choose sample of 10,000 people. Which of the following choices for this sample do you think is the most representative of the population? A sample of consisting of 10,000 people from Karnataka? No. From South Africa? No. A sample consisting of 2,000 adults from each part of India? Yes, it is the correct sample. Come to the next one. Which one of the following statements best describe the difference between population and sample? Sample is the entire group? No. Sample and population are synonyms? No. Population is the entire group, while sample is subset of the population which is used to describe the parameters of the population. Yes, it is correct. According to the International Cricket Council, a test cricket ball, when new, should not weigh more than 163 grams. The manufacturers of the Duke cricket ball suspected that the average weight of their product is more than 163 grams. To confirm this, 100 Duke cricket balls were selected. Based on this, choose the correct option. The population is all cricket balls. Sample is 100 Duke cricket balls. No, because 100 Duke cricket ball is the sample, but it can infer the information only for Duke cricket balls, not for all cricket balls. So it is a wrong option. The population is all Duke cricket balls. Sample is 100 cricket balls. The population is all Duke cricket balls. Sample is 100 cricket balls. No. Sample is also 100 Duke cricket balls. So it is the third option is correct. The population is all Duke cricket balls, or sample is 100 Duke cricket balls. A director of an engineering institute wants to evaluate the performance of students of all years and all departments: computer science, mechanical, electrical, electronics and communication engineering. In the institute, he randomly selects performance report of 50 students from the first year computer science batch. Based on this, choose the correct option. The sample chosen is correct? No. The sample chosen is wrong as it is not collected randomly? No. The sample chosen is correct? No. The sample chosen is wrong as it is not a representative of the entire population. Yes, it is correct. A construction company wants to start a house construction business in a city. Since there is a large number of houses, the company collects a sample of houses from the city and uses the properties of the sample to study house prices in the city. Which branch of statistics this analysis comes under? It is inferential. An online opinion poll was conducted by a film reviewing website to rank Indian films from 2000s. Among the 1,000 films in the list, Bhag Milka Bhag received the maximum number of votes, followed by Three Idiots and Swadesh respectively. Which branch of statistics? It is a descriptive statistics because it is not having info from for a population. It includes all data and it is a study on the data